Unit 4 covers the different types of compound tenses. We start off with the progressive tenses, including how the present participle is formed. There is the present progressive, imperfect and preterite progressive, future and conditional progressive, the present progressive subjunctive, imperfect progressive subjunctive, and future progressive subjunctive. There are other ways in which the present participle can be used outside of the progressive tenses, so there are other verbs besides estar that can be used in combination with the present participle. The present participle can also be used as an adverb, but not as a noun or adjective. Irregular present participles include those present participles ending in yendo and endo, and certain present participles with stem changes. The perfect tenses use the past participle. This includes the present perfect, the past perfect or pluperfect, the preterite perfect, future and conditional perfect, the present perfect subjunctive, the past perfect or pluperfect subjunctive, and future perfect subjunctive. Past participles can be used with verbs besides haber and outside of the perfect tenses. Past participles can also be used as adjectives. Irregular past participles include those with an accented I, and others which have their own types of irregular formations. Some past participles also have two acceptable forms. We combine the perfect tenses and progressive tenses to form the perfect progressive tenses. This includes the present perfect progressive, the past perfect or pluperfect progressive, the preterite perfect progressive, the future and conditional perfect progressive, the present perfect subjunctive progressive, the past perfect or pluperfect subjunctive progressive, and future perfect subjunctive progressive. The verbs llevar and venir can also be used in a manner similar to the perfect progressive tenses. And that sums up the lessons of Unit 4 for compound tenses. As I always say, if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers, I would very much appreciate that. And that is all for now, so until next time.